For those who asked to elaborate a little bit on our project here, this is a bungalow we bought in Subic. About 2 kilometers from the ocean. It's in a fairly quiet subdivision. There's quite a few dogs, but this is the bike I get around down. This is a pomelo tree we've been getting pomelos off of. It's pretty cool. And there's some banana trees. We got a stack over a bunch of bananas that are ripening right now. Well, we painted the gate and the ironwork here to keep the rust down. The rust, the rain must have iron in it from the ocean or whatever. Needed a well. When we first got here, it had one, but it hadn't been used in 10 years and wasn't working. So we had some people come in and fix this old well and drill a new one back in. So this older one, we put a hand pump on. Has an electric pump on. So it's what they call a garage. All places seem to have everything. I don't know I haven't seen that much thievery, but it seems to be part of the culture here to protect your home like that. This would be a dining room, kitchen, salad, things ready for break and lunch for our crew. About 10 o'clock in the morning here. This will be the living room. It's pretty small. It was a bedroom and a half bungalow. So we decided to hire a crew and extend it with 2 more bedrooms and a CR. And that's the construction work that we're doing. This is the half bedroom. Probably be a computer room when we're done. Needs work. Right, outside they're doing construction. Poor guys. Sally's family. Darren up there. Cousin. Armando, a brother. Bathroom here and next to it. Then an open area with a balcony, and then down here another bedroom. Fruit tree there, it's really good. I found that. It's sort of like a banana here. This is Tony. He's not going to be on YouTube. He's going to be the next YouTube star. And Darren. More pineapple. Not much of a yard, the backside of the property. gate where we can keep a truck or a car if we wanted to. Lots on either side are available. We may look into that. That'll be it.